This is Bass Pro. This is my Yamaha 80 series stack. In this auction we have the T80, C80, and M80. I've owned this since 1986. I believe it came out in 85. I've serviced it over the years in beautiful operational condition. The top of the metal cabinet, I'm trying to show. It's got a scratch here. It is a little bit faded, but it's not really that bad a condition. None of the speaker connectors are broke. I've always been very gentle with this. Gold-plated connectors on the preamp. I've serviced this over the years myself. It's in great operational condition. What I'm going to do now is kind of run through some of the features. It has 5 FM and 5 AM memory preset on the T80 tuner. It does support AM, FM. Let me get a flashlight because I can't see this stuff. So it's got, let me turn the volume up a little. Receive calibration. Meter multipaths, filtering, AM, FM, noise reduction, F10, see if that works any better. FM automatic attenuation, RX mode, auto, local, DX. Tuning mode is auto or mono or manual. Then you've got your memory set for your presets over here. Then your AM, FM selector, fine tuning, and then broader tuning. The C80 and all these specs, this is kind of like a legend type deal. There's tons of manuals and service manuals and specs on the web, so you just Google each one of these components. I haven't done a lot of cleaning, so this is dusty. The only thing that I really maintain is the operational condition. So all of these buttons, everything on all three components, I use Craig Deox. Show you this stuff right here, the D5, and then I lube everything with a fader lube, and all the connection points are treated with Pro Gold. I'm going to turn the volume up. Turn my flashlight off. I've got it set to an AM station, and I'm only using this little ferrite AM loop antenna. And it picks up really well. This is a high-end tuner. The preamp is very well regarded, and this is this M80 amp that has a Class A mode. Works. This is very highly regarded. A lot of people call this a legend series. We're going to go into FM mode. I'll turn it up. That's putting it in Class A mode. You have different impedances. You can handle all the way down to a 2 ohm load on this amp. It's 250 watts, I believe. This is just, at my age, this is more than I'll ever need anymore. I haven't turned this up in so long. I just don't really have a need for it any longer, so I'm trying to pass it on to somebody else. The pre has all the nice controls that are hidden. It supports a tuner, digital like a CD player, a phono, auxiliary, tape 1 and 2. All these ports have been cleaned and tested. Everything works. The phono works. Tape inputs work. I want to show you, I guess, the memory buttons. These can be preset. Even though 5 of them are labeled as AM, you can set them as FM or AM.
On the arc, driving in with 5 with 4. Email your
Bo. You know, he led the NFL a year ago with 15 touchdown catches. Now he has 4 this year. And then that just shows you take the quarterback.
Oh. What I'm trying to do is trying to get the stereo light to come on, and when I programmed this stuff, I had it in mono mode, so none of my memory presets, they store whatever is set up as far as programming goes. So it took me just a second to figure that out. Excellent tuner. What else should I show you? Oh, I wanted to show I've got a CD running. This is a CD player.
I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell.
I'm going to get off of that real quick. Now I'm going to show you the balance controls. Just a great, well-maintained piece of equipment. I think outside of just keeping everything clean, on the M80 amp, last year before last, there was an issue cropped up that was reported on the web. So I went in and on some capacitors that made from the pre on the input into the power amp section. There was some what they call dreaded Sony glue. I freaked, so I went in and actually changed out 4 capacitors and cleaned up all the glue that actually held the capacitor to the motherboard. It was very easy to do, and so I didn't want any headaches down the road with corrosive glue. So I took care of that a couple of years ago, and it's just a great overall amp. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in an amp like this is the only way I'm going to sell this is a complete stack. It will ship in 2 boxes with the amp, which weighs about 50-55